Hey, what's good? It's your girl, Rick Soul. And today, honey, we got a special thing going on. I am going to be featuring Queen Hilarious, the drip sauce baby. I finally got a jar from somebody. Like everybody been promoting, but I couldn't get a jar. So I got her jar. Queen Hilarious. She is so cool, so humble, a great parent, just everything. And her sauce smells so good. I haven't tasted it yet, but it smells so good. And I can't wait to dive in. So y'all already know it's the weekend and we're going to get it cracking. So let's get it, baby. I have 4 pieces of lobster tails, 2 king crabs, 2 potatoes, 2 corns, 2 eggs, and some broccoli. So I'm starving and let's get to it. Yes, I'm so excited. Start out with this. It still got steam coming from it. Yes. Ooh, I can tell it's nice and tender. Here we go, y'all. I'm so happy about her sauce. Oh my God. Ooh, we got onions in it. Yes. Oh yeah. This is her, you guys. And she packaged it well. It's good. Oh yeah. You did your thing, Queen Hilarious. She did this. This is good. OMG. Okay, you didn't want to come off the tail, but that's okay. Oh, that's not good. One thing about this, it's a nice setting, but you know, it can be tough sometimes. But this is too good, so I'll get back to that. Oh yeah. She did her thing on this one. Okay now, Queen Hilarious. Yes. I said when it smell good, it's gonna taste good. You nailed it. Take a potato. Ooh, it still got steam coming from it. I'm gonna put that onion back up. Give me an egg. Drop into it. These onions are so good. Wow. You did your thing. Let's crack open these bad boys. Oh, grand surprise already. Oh, yes. Oh, excuse me. Already. Oh, yeah. I love me some king cat crab legs. King crab. I mean, snow crab legs is good, but that king crab, y'all. Mm-mm-mm. That king crab is everything. Suncrest strawberry lemonade. Get these onions in here. And that garlic, okay. This king crab, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. So good. Like I said, snow crab is good. But if you want, it's splattering everywhere. But if you want that real meat, king crab. It's so sweet and tender as this ooh-wee. Okay, let me wake back up. And especially when you bake it. That's a trick to king crab. You gotta bake them. If you want the most flavor, please bake it. I'm telling you, it's a whole nother level. Even with your lobster tails, if you gotta have an air fryer, air fry it. It's just a whole nother level. So good. Okay, this ain't got nothing in it. And this part, the head of it, usually I don't like the head of stuff, but king crab, yeah, I eat it. Oh, excuse me. This is so good, y'all. Get you some king crab. Oh. Since I dropped my fork, I gotta use my hands. Good broccoli. Yes, yes, yes. Excuse me. I think my overall review, now that I'm full, by me baking them in the oven, this makes this sauce a little bit saltier. But overall, it's a really good sauce. But I think by me baking in the oven, and that brings more salt on, it makes them more salty. So next time I'll boil them. But she did a good job, and I'm proud of you. Let's support each other and help us grow. Until next time, peace and love.